Hello, friends and knife nerds. This is the Tacray chef knife. It is a folder, and it is going to make a great camp knife if you want to not spend a lot of money. But once you tune the action a little bit, this thing, it is definitely a flipper. Look at the size of that thing. That is a giant chef knife with a big old full flat grind on it that will make it really a nice camp knife, especially for food prep, even in the house. Heck, this is a nice little backup to keep in the kitchen drawer in case everything is dirty or something along those lines. That is a giant chunk of V10, my friends. VG10, excuse me, I said V10. It is not an engine. It is a knife blade. VG10s are very popular steel for the kitchen because of its stainless properties and its ability to keep an edge. Now, this design may look familiar to you, but I mean, there is this 10-inch version that is $40, and then the 12-inch version that is, what is it? It's $60. So depending on the size you're looking for, this flipper is 40 or 60. Now, 10-inch, in my opinion, is plenty. So for $40, you're getting a pretty nice chunk of VG10. And the button lock, once I just loosened up the pivot a tiny bit, that button lock actually became pretty snappy. Kind of fun, actually. Cha-kink. I like that noise. So yeah, that thing will carve the heck out of some food. Not necessarily the best for steak or like meats, but it will be excellent for the prep part of a meal. For a quick chop of any vegetable or fruit, or really your vegetables and your fruits. I mean, it will chop meat fine, but there's a reason that like the typical steak knife has those tiny little grooves that you see. It just makes the cutting a little bit easier. But this will make an excellent prep knife, especially in camp when you just need something sharp with a nice flat grind to just quickly chop up some sausage or whatever the heck you're prepping. This will come nice and handy. So let's get some measurements. Let's prove you guys that this is as big as it probably looks. It says 4.44. I would say it's closer to 4.55, 4.5-inch blade. And overall it said it's 10.1, but I am calling this 10.2. And but for $40, really, that is one wicked chopper. And VG10 is a really nice steel. So as long as the heat treat's good, you're getting one heck of a deal. Now, what are we looking at? 5.38 ounces, 3.7, 0.37, 5.38, whatever. Oh, whoa, look at me, I'm lying. 5.38 or 5.39. So you're gonna know this clearly isn't made to stay in your pocket. There's no pocket clip, and it's gigantic. This is a drawer knife, so it's a camp kitchen knife. It's a kitchen knife. It's meant to go in the drawer or be packed away and then pulled out and kept in your kitchen. But why not make it fun and fidgety for a kitchen knife? This is going to be ideal for camping because you can fold it and pack it away and save a little bit of space. And we all know when we camp, we want to save space because, man, do we run out of room real quick when we're packing those trucks. So let me give you guys a quick comparison so you can kind of see what I'm talking about size-wise. Pulling out the Old Faithful, the Shaman, and then, whoa, dangerous, and then the Para 3. You can get an idea here. This thing dwarfs even the Shaman. And then dwarfs the Para 3. this is a large folder. So I think my point was made there. This is one heck of a chopper. Yeah, all comfortable in all positions. I mean, when you're chopping, yeah, that's about as fast as I chop. I can't really, it's not for me. I'm not that good, but I like the action on this chef knife. It's definitely big, flat grind, ready for the kitchen whenever you are. So let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the comments.